Good morning, class 4. So, how are your lockdown days going on? With you're doing the online classes and then also helping your parents and at the same time doing some activities. Uh, do you know that some food items you can also make? You can make them those items where you do not need to go to the gas oven. Like you can make fruit salads, you can make the salads, and also you can make fruit custard. Of course, custard your mum will make for you, and then the fruity part of it will be done by you and served to all the members of the family. I hope it is something very interesting, and take the help of your parents and do it one day and have it. Of course, you must have all different types of fruit now to grow up your immune system. Now that we are almost coming to the end of this lockdown period, people will be going out. Maybe you will be also going out with your parents at times, and then gradually the school will also reopen. But then, what you need is to grow your immune system. You have to be strong. You should not get sick every second day. No getting sick, no catching cough and cold. So, what you need is healthy food and fresh food. So, I hope you will be growing strong by this time with all good foods and exercises. Hope you are doing regular exercises also. Exercises, be strong, and always do not drink very cold water. This is one advice I must give you. You drink little water which is a bit hot, which you can just have, not cold at all, but a bit hot. This will also help you to move away all different types of viruses from you. Now, let me continue with the revision. Interdependence between plants and animals. As you very well know, that all different types of plants make the green plants, they make their food from with the help of sunlight in their leaves, green leaves, and they also need carbon dioxide. Now, where are they getting this carbon dioxide? They are getting the carbon dioxide from the animals. The animals, when they breathe, they give out carbon dioxide. And this carbon dioxide, the plants take up to make their food. So, this is one interdependence of the plants on the animals. Now, plants also need the help of certain animals for their pollination. What is pollination? Pollination means to bring the pollen grains to the flowers so that their seeds get matured. And also the plants, the dispersal of the seeds of the plant, dispersal means distribution of the seeds of the plants, is done with the help of certain animals, birds also. Yes, so plants are in these three different ways dependent on the animals. Now, how are the animals dependent on plants? The animals, they breathe in oxygen, and this oxygen they get from the plants when the plants give out oxygen during photosynthesis. This oxygen is taken up by animals while breathing. Certain animals they find shelter in the plants. Certain animals they eat the plants. So these are the different ways that the plants and animals are dependent on each other. So this is the interdependence of plants and animals. We will go on to balance in nature the next day. Thank you, children.